How to control this device on your phone. To do that, you'll need to find MyCar Link app. You can get this app from Google Play Store. Once you do that, you need to connect both of these devices to the same network. If you do not have Wi-Fi in your car, you can use hotspot as the same network. After successfully connecting, go to MyCar Link and you'll find the device on your phone. Tap here to connect, and now you can see your device on your phone. How to use screen mirroring function on this device. To do that, you'll need to connect both of these devices to the same network. If you do not have Wi-Fi in your car, you can use hotspot as same network. Once you have connected them successfully, go to phone link on your device. Make sure that you have selected Android for Android phones. Now go to your screen mirror function on your phone and it will search your device. Once it has done that, tap to connect. Once it successfully connects, you'll be able to see your phone on the device. Now, we can use some apps to see if it works.